In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send large videos on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Normally, guys, to send a video, we need to enter a conversation, then tap right here at this plus, select photos to head over to our camera roll, then select a video and then hit send. However, when we send videos via WhatsApp in this way, they are automatically compressed to save traffic. The quality is good enough for viewing, especially from a mobile device. However, if you want to send your video with its original quality, we can easily do so as well by sending a video as a document. To do that, we need to tap right here at this plus and then select document. Here we need to tap at choose photo or video. That will open up your camera roll, then select a video file and then hit right here to send it. As you can see, now this video is being sent as a document, and then your contact, once it is sent, will be able to tap on it, view it, download it, do whatever they want with this video that was sent to them in its original quality. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.